Hey there, today we're going to look at how to set up Stripe payment plans. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Over here, click on the sign in button. After that, enter your email and password, then click on sign in. Then, once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. Over here, click on billing from the menu. After that, click on subscriptions. Then, click on create subscription. Over here, enter the customer name or email. You can select an existing customer or add a new one. After that, choose the subscription duration like monthly, yearly, or custom. Then, add the product your client is subscribing to. Over here, set the price for the subscription. After that, decide when the billing should start, either immediately or on a future date. Then, select the payment method for the client. Over here, review all the details you entered. After that, click on the create button to finish. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next